Hey guys, I'm here with a couple notes for Friday. We're really not going to take notes, but I do want you to write down these questions. This is going to be part of a pre-assessment, but I want you to write down these questions because we're going to kind of talk about them later. So the first one we're going to talk about is how do humans get their energy and use it? So we're going to be looking at how we as humans, how we get our energy, and what we're able to do with it. And then the next one is how do plants get their energy and use it? Okay, so looking at a relationship between plants and animals, or plants and humans. And then, do you think animals could carry out photosynthesis? Why or why not? The next one, what organelle or part, or you could say structure, does a plant need to carry out photosynthesis? So when I say organelle, you've probably heard that term before, but it's actually just talking about different part or structure piece of a cell. Number 5, what would happen if plants were given no light or different colors of lights? 6, what do plants give us that we need? And number 7, what do we give plants that they need? Okay, so these are 7 questions I want you to think about, and you'll be doing a pre-assessment to figure out your answers for these, and then you'll hopefully find out the answers within the next week during our lessons.